Now that the holidays are over, it's time to start gearing up for your New Year's resolutions. It's never too late to start, whether it's crossing that travel destination off your list or taking care of your car. It's always great to start off the new year with a clean car, so why wait? Before we dive in, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Learning how to jumpstart your car is essential. If you don't have your car inspected, then your car battery could die when you least expect it. And who wants to be late meeting your friends for brunch just because of a dead car battery? It's best to have routine car maintenance. If you have your car inspected regularly, then you can get all of your minor problems fixed before they become a major one. Another great tip is to prepare an emergency kit before a road trip. Some things that you need are jumper cables, a toolkit, flashlight, batteries, duct tape, water, first aid kit, and non-perishable foods. We know it can be easy to ignore that pesky light on your dashboard. However, if you ignore this light long enough, then it could lead to your car malfunctioning. Also, learn how to fill and transport a gas can. It can be frustrating if you're stranded on the side of the road without a gas can, and even more so if you're unsure how to use and transport the gas can. Also, it can be frustrating getting a flat or even puncturing your tires. That's why it's important to know how to change a tire and fix a puncture on your own. You should also clean your car before the month ends. Nothing is better than stepping into a freshly vacuumed car with a fruity air freshener. Want more tips? Visit Toyota of Orlando at 3575 Ryland Road.